Welcome to Augmented Voices, where we deep dive into AI.
That's right, yeah, into the world of AI.
Yeah, and today.
The ever-evolving world of AI.
Yeah, the ever-evolving world of AI. It's true. We're going to unpack a whole stack of recent AI developments
Yes, we are.
that you, as an AI enthusiast, don't want to miss.
Get ready for some truly transformative advancements.
Yes.
We'll break down what's happening and why it matters for you.
Okay, so let's just kick things off with a major shakeup in the world of search.
Okay.
OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, now offers real-time web search integrated
Wow.
directly into their platform.
That's huge.
So you can ask a question and get a direct answer.
With source citations.
With source citations.
Yeah.
All without leaving ChatGPT.
That is a direct challenge to Google's dominance.
Yeah.
It raises questions about how traditional search engines will adapt,
Yeah.
how businesses will need to rethink their online strategies to reach audiences in this new landscape.
Yeah.
We're potentially witnessing the very beginning of a search revolution.
Imagine searching for, say, the latest on Manchester United
Oh, yeah.
and getting insights pulled directly from the club's website.
Exactly.
It's a whole new level
Direct access to information.
of direct access to information.
That's right.
Yeah. And it's not just search that's getting a boost from AI.
It's not. Yeah.
Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI assistant,
Mm-hmm.
has just rolled out 10-minute voice dictations.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
That's a game changer.
So no more typing out long responses.
Yeah.
We can just talk to our AI assistants.
Right.
Are we all going to become dictation people now?
Maybe.
I can already see myself dictating emails, articles, even my grocery list.
I mean, this technology has enormous implications for accessibility
Oh, for sure.
and productivity
Yeah.
across various fields.
Yeah.
Imagine doctors dictating notes directly to Claude
Wow.
or field service workers updating reports hands-free.
It streamlines workflows
Absolutely.
in ways we've only imagined.
In ways we've only imagined.
Like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
All right.
But it's happening now.
It is.
And speaking of mind-blowing advancements,
Yes.
Google has revealed that a quarter of their new code is being generated by AI.
Wow.
That's amazing.
AI is fundamentally changing software engineering.
Yeah.
It's capable of handling those repetitive coding tasks,
Right.
freeing up human developers to focus on the bigger picture, the creative problem solving, and the complex design aspects.
Does this mean coding could become more accessible
It's possible.
to people without a computer science background?
I think so.
Could anyone with an idea for an app bring it to life with AI as their coding partner?
It's a fascinating question and one that's being actively explored.
Yeah.
While AI can certainly simplify some aspects of coding, it's still a complex field requiring logical thinking and problem solving.
Yeah,
But AI is undoubtedly lowering the barrier to entry.
it is. Yeah, and lowering the barrier to entry seems to be a theme in AI development these days.
I would agree with that.
Meta, for example, has just unveiled an AI-powered podcast generator
Really?
powered by their notebook Llama model.
That's very interesting.
This tool can handle scripting editing,
Even voice generation.
even voice generation,
Yeah.
making podcast creation incredibly simple.
So simple.
It has the potential to democratize podcasting,
I think so.
allowing anyone with an idea to create professional-sounding audio content
Yeah.
without needing expensive equipment or technical expertise.
That's incredible.
Think about students turning their study notes into podcasts,
Oh, wow, yeah.
businesses creating audio marketing materials in a snap,
Uh-huh.
or anyone with a story to tell reaching a wider audience.
Absolutely.
What could you create with such a tool?
And Meta didn't stop there.
They didn't.
They also released an open source version of their podcast generator,
Wow.
inviting developers to tinker with and modify the code.
So it's open source? This is a significant contrast to Google's approach, where their notebook LM, while more polished, is less open to customization.
Much less.
It's like Meta gave us the building blocks and said, go build something amazing.
That's a great analogy.
With this open source model, we could see an explosion of innovative podcasting formats and features.
It's a real possibility.
Yeah.
This move fosters experimentation and collaboration, which often leads to breakthroughs.
Yeah.
It will be fascinating to see what the developer community does with this technology.
And to wrap up this first part of our deep dive,
Okay.
let's turn to some intriguing hints about the future of AI. OpenAI, despite confirming there won't be a ChatGPT 5 release this year, has teased some very good releases coming before the end of 2024.
Interesting.
Or perhaps even more noteworthy is OpenAI's belief that artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI as smart as human, is achievable with the hardware we have today. Imagine an AI capable of learning and reasoning like a human,
That's incredible.
collaborating with us to solve complex problems.
That's both incredibly exciting and a bit unsettling.
It is.
We could be on the precipice of a technological revolution unlike anything we've seen before.
And it's not just about AGI.
Right.
OpenAI is also heavily focused on developing AI agents capable of acting independently.
Independently. Wow.
These AI agents could potentially take on tasks, manage schedules.
And even anticipate our needs before we articulate them.
AI agents messaging us proactively.
That's a whole other level.
That is a whole other level.
What would you ask an AI agent to do?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The possibilities seem endless, but it raises some serious ethical and philosophical questions
Absolutely.
about the role of AI in our lives.
Big questions.
It's a conversation we'll be unpacking more in the next part of our deep dive.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me neither.
This is fascinating.
It is
It
fascinating.
really is.
Really is.
Yeah. So we just explored some groundbreaking developments from AI-powered search to AI agents that could be just around the corner. And as we delve deeper into the world of AI, we can't ignore its potential impact on education.
AI in education.
That's right.
It's a topic that's generating a lot of buzz, both positive and negative.
Yeah.
On the one hand, AI could personalize learning experiences, offer real-time feedback, and make education accessible to more people worldwide.
Imagine a student struggling with a math problem. An AI tutor could step in offering tailored explanations and practice exercises until the concept clicks.
Wow.
That level of individualized support is incredibly powerful.
It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7.
It is.
But are there downsides to this level of AI integration in education?
Well, some worry that an over-reliance on AI could hinder the development of critical thinking skills.
Okay.
There are also concerns about AI systems potentially perpetuating existing biases if they're not carefully designed and monitored.
So it's not just about the technology itself, but how we thoughtfully and responsibly implement it.
Exactly.
We need open dialogues between educators, policymakers, and tech developers to navigate these challenges.
We need to find a balance, embracing the transformative potential of AI in education while being mindful of its potential pitfalls. Now let's shift gears to a lighter topic. We've touched on AI-generated podcasts, but what about other forms of entertainment? Could AI compose music, write movie scripts, or even create interactive video games?
The idea of an AI-generated video game where the storyline adapts to your choices,
Oh, wow.
creating a unique experience every time you play, is pretty mind-blowing.
We're seeing a surge of experimentation in AI-generated entertainment. There are tools that can compose music in different styles, generate movie scripts, and even design interactive narratives for games.
It sounds like AI could democratize the creative process, giving individuals and smaller teams the power to produce high-quality entertainment without needing huge budgets.
Imagine independent filmmakers using AI to create stunning visual effects or generate realistic dialogue.
Wow.
We might even see personalized movies based on viewer preferences.
That's interesting.
It's an exciting prospect.
Yeah.
But it also raises questions about the role of human creativity in a world where AI can seemingly generate anything.
Will we value human-made art more in this future?
That's a good question.
Or will we see a rise in collaborations between humans and AI, each contributing their unique strengths?
Those are thought-provoking questions. And speaking of questions that often come up in AI discussions, let's address job displacement. Many people are concerned that AI will automate jobs, leading to widespread unemployment.
It's a valid concern.
It is.
We've already seen AI take over certain jobs, particularly those involving repetitive tasks. But throughout history, technological advancements have often created more jobs than they've destroyed. Take the Industrial Revolution, for example.
The Industrial Revolution initially displaced many manual laborers, but it also gave birth to entirely new industries and job categories. It's likely we'll see a similar pattern with AI. As AI automates certain tasks, new opportunities will emerge in fields like AI development, ethics training, and more.
So while there will be challenges, it's not necessarily a doomsday scenario.
I agree.
It's an opportunity for adaptation, reskilling, and preparing for a future where humans and AI collaborate.
We need to focus on providing the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in this AI-driven world. And now let's move on to a topic that's both fascinating and controversial.
Okay.
Artificial general intelligence.
So AGI.
OpenAI's assertion that AGI is within reach using current technology has fueled a lot of debate.
The idea of an AI as smart as a human, something that has captivated science fiction writers for decades, seems to be moving from the realm of fantasy into reality. It's exhilarating and a little unnerving.
The potential benefits of AGI are immense. Imagine AI systems that could tackle climate change, eradicate diseases, or solve global poverty.
But what if we create an AGI that doesn't align with human values or goals? What if it becomes uncontrollable?
These are questions we need to address carefully before we reach a point of no return.
For sure.
We need to develop strong ethical frameworks and safety protocols to ensure responsible AGI development. We must ensure AGI aligns with human values and that we retain control over its actions.
This is a massive responsibility that requires collaboration and open dialogue among scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public.
I agree.
We can't leave this to chance.
The future of AI is being shaped now.
It is.
Engaging in these complex conversations and making informed choices are critical for guiding its development in a way that benefits humanity.
We've covered a wide range of topics, from practical AI applications to the philosophical implications of AGI.
We have.
But there's so much more to explore.
In the final part of our deep dive, we'll look at real-world examples of AI in action and discuss how you can stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving landscape.
We've journeyed through the frontiers of AI, from revolutionary search engines to the potential rise of AGI.
Definitely.
Now, let's bring it all home and explore how AI is making a tangible difference in our lives today, like right now.
Right now, AI is already impacting various fields, and one of the most promising is healthcare.
Healthcare, okay.
AI algorithms are being used to diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy.
Yeah, I've read about AI analyzing medical images, like X-rays and CT scans, to spot subtle patterns that even trained doctors might overlook.
Yes.
Early detection like this
Can be life-saving.
would be life-saving, yeah.
It's like having an incredibly meticulous partner working alongside doctors to improve patient care. And it's not just diagnostics. AI is also being used to tailor treatment plans based on individual genetic makeup and lifestyle factors.
So we're moving towards truly personalized medicine, maximizing treatment effectiveness and minimizing side effects.
Precisely. And this drive towards personalization extends beyond healthcare.
Okay.
Think about those recommendations you get on streaming services or online shopping platforms.
Oh, those are often powered by AI, right?
They are.
Algorithms learn our preferences and suggest things we might enjoy.
That's right.
Yeah, it's how I discover a lot of new music and books these days.
Exactly. These recommendation engines are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated at understanding our tastes. They consider past purchases, browsing history, even social media activity to offer increasingly personalized suggestions.
It's like having a personal shopper or entertainment curator in our pockets.
It is.
But beyond convenience, it can help us discover hidden gems we might never have found on our own.
That's the beauty of AI. Its ability to connect us with things that resonate with us.
Right.
Enrich our lives and broaden our horizons.
And speaking of connection, AI is also transforming how we communicate and interact.
Absolutely.
We've already discussed the potential, voice dictation. But what about AI-powered real-time language translation or chatbots for customer support?
These technologies are breaking down communication barriers, enabling people from different corners of the world to connect and understand each other.
It's like having a universal translator and a personal assistant rolled into one, available at our fingertips.
That's a great way to put it.
So these real-world examples showcase how AI is already having a tangible impact, and this is just the beginning.
Just the beginning.
Yeah. So with all this rapid advancement, how can our listeners stay ahead of the curve
That's the question.
and prepare for a future increasingly intertwined with AI?
Staying informed is paramount. Read articles, listen to podcasts like this one, attend webinars. There are countless resources available to keep you updated on the latest developments.
Knowledge is power, especially in a field that's changing as quickly as AI.
It is.
The more we understand, the better we can adapt and harness its potential.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to get hands-on and experiment with AI tools and applications. There are many free and affordable resources online. Explore AI image generators, play around with chatbot platforms, try out AI writing assistants.
It's all about learning by doing.
It is.
And as AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, honing our critical thinking skills becomes essential.
I agree.
We need to be able to sift through information, discern fact from fiction, and make informed decisions.
Absolutely. AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to guide its development and ensure its responsible use.
That's a powerful message to end on.
It is.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI.
It's been my pleasure.
We've explored the latest news,
Uh-huh.
real-world applications,
Absolutely.
and the potential impact of AI on our lives.
It's been a fascinating discussion.
It has been a fascinating discussion.
Remember to keep exploring,
Yeah.
keep learning, and keep questioning. The future of AI is unfolding before our very eyes.
Yeah.
And we all have a role to play in shaping it.
Absolutely. Thank you for listening, everyone.